Is your seat or Cupra key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Don't worry, replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, identify your battery type, usually a CR232, CR2025, or CR2016. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Locate the small gap on the fob. Gently twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to damage the circuit board. Once open, pop out the old battery, noting the positive and negative markings. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Reassemble the fob, ensuring it snaps securely back together. If your remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, the issue could be improper battery seating or the need for reprogramming. For reprogramming, try holding the unlock button while inserting the key into the ignition, or check your car's infotainment system under Vehicle Settings for key pairing options. With newer models and digital systems, a factory reset via the app may be necessary. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly through recycling programs. For models prone to water ingress, consider adding a silicone seal during replacement to prevent corrosion. Also ensure to buy quality batteries to avoid leakage.